Hi, and welcome to another edition of Video Best Practices, a webcast series brought to you by Interactive Media Strategies. I'm your host, Paul Ritter. Today's webcast is a continuation of the Best Practices for Video SEO series and features an interview with Shannon Murphy, Content Marketing Manager with 3Play Media. Shannon and I are discussing the value of incorporating captions and transcripts of videos that organizations produce for posting online, either for use on YouTube or for embedding on their own websites or for social media sites. What are some of the ways and some of the things that you're seeing for companies that are taking advantage of transcripts from their videos and using the content in other ways, like particularly for marketers, and others that are involved in their external outreach and website initiatives?
Well, my recommendation, and I think this is still a little new for most people, kind of pulling those in SEO out there. It doesn't seem that a lot of people are embracing this yet, but I'd like to see this change. And that's using video as your starting point and then using transcripts to create derivative content. We hear so much about content marketing, inbound marketing, entertaining and informing people by putting really great content out there. And for many people, that means blogs, white papers, infographics, and then they feel as if they need to scale up to video. I think you and I know more so, and especially this audience with the Web Video Marketing Council, understand that you don't have to make a huge investment to be able to produce great video. And if you were then to get that video transcribed, all of this information that you have as a resource, you then can make into summary blogs or white papers, fact sheets, essentially creating a really great shortcut using transcripts to take all of that spoken content and make derivative works.
We're seeing a lot of companies taking advantage of YouTube as a channel for posting their videos for others to see and to embed YouTube videos on their organization's own website. 65%, or almost 2/3 of the respondents in the recent Real SEO and Web Video Marketing survey, have posted YouTube videos on their websites. Shannon, I know you've got some really great thoughts on the concept of embedding videos on YouTube and on company websites. So what recommendations can you share about how and when people should be thinking about posting videos online or on YouTube or on their own websites when it comes to really maximizing the video SEO benefits?
It seems right now video SEO, the definition can differ depending on who you're talking to. There's some out there who consider video SEO to go hand in hand with YouTube and getting views. I consider this video SEO to be predominantly about the SEO goal of gaining more traffic to your website. So YouTube is a great platform if you are going for branding and viewership. But if you are looking to increase traffic and use video as a gateway to your site for more visits, longer visit time, and potentially downloading of more materials and generating leads, I think it's really important to consider using video platforms that you can embed on your site as original content. Not that you can't do this for YouTube, but it's not necessarily going to help your SEO if you're placing that video first on YouTube and letting Google have all of that keyword juice, especially since 8 out of 10 video results are typically YouTube. I don't think it can be ignored, but it's really smart to first embed on your own site and build out pages based around those keywords. And then maybe after you've maxed out any potential views, then seed it on YouTube and expose yourself to another viewership market. Another point that I would like to make concerning seeding your content on YouTube is that after you do that, it would be smart to differentiate your titles slightly and not use the exact same title that you use on your business website as well. This way you're not creating a video on YouTube that is ranking for the exact same title phrase as the video you have on your own site. So don't compete with yourself. And additionally, it would behoove you to add captions to your YouTube video. This will allow Google to index your YouTube video. And actually, if you search for a phrase within quotes in Google of a YouTube video, often it will index it actually down to the time where that phrase was spoken. And once you click through, you can go right to that part within the video on YouTube. So some really cool, interesting things that YouTube is doing with that time-synced text data that you have when you add a captions file to your YouTube video.
Shannon, I know that 3Play Media is a sponsor of the upcoming Video Marketing Summit being held by Real SEO in San Francisco. What is the role that 3Play Media is taking, and how is your organization involved in the event?
Yes, so we will be sponsoring the Real Summit. It's happening July 25th and 26th in San Francisco. Our VP of Marketing, Joel Kesson, will be in attendance, and he will be there presenting on video SEO and the applications of transcripts with video.
Great. Well, we look forward to seeing that. And people, if they're interested in registering for the event, they can go to realsummit.com to get a full overview of the agenda and the various speakers and the sponsors, like 3Play Media. So I encourage people to do that. Thanks a lot, Shannon, for sharing some of your thoughts and insights on video SEO best practices and ways that companies can really leverage the use of video transcripts and captions.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
And thanks to all of you for watching today's webcast that's part of the Video Best Practices series from Interactive Media Strategies. I'm Paul Ritter, and we'll see you next time.